Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss class 7th computer chapter number 3 more on MS Excel 2007. Today's topic is conditional formatting. Today we will learn how we apply conditional formatting in MS Excel. Conditional formatting is an important feature in MS Excel. It determines a cell's format according to the specified conditions. With the use of this feature, we can ask MS Excel to display numbers in cells in a specified color depending on certain conditions such as whether the numbers are greater than, equal to, or less than a certain number. For apply conditional formatting option, first we will start our computer or laptop and we will open our MS Excel 2007. You see here we have a worksheet with thousands of rows of data. It would be extremely difficult to see patterns and trends just for examining the raw information. Similar to chart and spark lines, conditional formatting provide another way to visualize data and make worksheet easier to understand. Okay, for this you see conditional formatting. In this home tab, first we click home tab and we will go here and you see here we have conditional formatting. It is our conditional formatting. Okay. Conditional formatting allows you to automatically apply formatting such as colors, icon, and data bars to one or more cells based on the cell value. Okay, you see here, if we click in this, here option is given: highlighting cell rules, top bottom rules, data bar, colors, scales, etc. Conditional formatting rule might be if the value is less than 2000 and our spreadsheet is very large, then we apply this conditional formatting and easily we get our data. By applying this rule, you had be able to quickly see which cells contain the values less than 2000 or equal to 2000 or more than 2000. Whatever we apply, we easily see here with the help of highlighted colors, font and fill cells. Okay. Now our question is how we create this conditional formatting sheets. For this, first we made one file. Okay, you see in your book this table is given. So first you make this table, just enter all name and made like that table. Okay, so first I made table for you like that. Just you made this file, or if you want to total. Okay, for total you see here, first we click. Okay, after that equal sign, we select this row and plus, for total you put equal sign, then you select row and plus we want plus with this, again plus, select row and enter. You see automatically F4 data, G4 data and H4 data is plus. Or you see, if you want to same thing, you will do only just select and drag, and all row you see automatically give total result. Okay, so first we prepare this Excel sheet, worksheet. If please save this, after then you will work on this file. And first step, from the tab button, click the condition formatting command. I already show you. It is our home tab button. After then we will select our conditional format. Okay, a drop down menu, you see here, a drop down menu will appear here, and here you see some optional is given. Okay, however, the mouse over the desired conditional formatting type, then select the desired rules from the menu that appear. You see here highlighted cell. If we click here also so many option, and top and bottom here also, data bar here also icon, and here give new rules, clear rules and manage rules. Okay, about this option I will explain later. Okay, first we see highlighting cell. Highlighted cell, that means we only highlight with colors and fill this cell whatever we want here. Okay, for suppose we want to highlight the cell, you see our data is this. Okay, so if suppose we want to highlight the cell less than 2500, for this first we select our data. You see here, first we select our data, and click conditional formatting, highlighted cells. Okay, highlight cells rules. Here we want to less than, so we select less than option. Okay, less than, and a dialog box will appear. Here we enter desired value into the blank field. You see here automatically here give 5600, but we want 2500. Okay, you see in this dialog box, title bar given less than. Okay, after then format cells that are less than, that means we select cell and we want to format cell. Here we write 2500, that means they will show only 2500 less than values. Okay, if you don't do anything and simply you click OK, after then you get like that values. You see here color will change. You see here light red fill with dark red text. Okay, if you don't do anything, it will become same like that showing in your screen. You see, or if you want to color according to your choice, you select here. You see custom format. Custom format. When we enter, select custom format. Format cell dialog box will come. You see here we will go in fill. Fill, that means they will fill full cell. Okay. Here no color. If we want to select color, this. Okay. Or we want to font color. Font color, that means font writing. Okay. Font color yellow. Okay. And we click OK. You see here it come in yellow color and fill in this dark color. Okay. Now we apply OK, and automatically our data is highlighted. Okay, it is our less than. If suppose we want to change the number, you see, beauty of this option, it is very important. You see here we write 2400. Okay. Now I change number and I write 3000 and enter. You see automatically color is changed because it is a greater than 2500. Because of this, it already remove color and highlighted. Only you see easily we find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people is there. Those who are having 2500 less than salary. Okay. Now if suppose we want to change this formatting and we want to clear all formatting, so we will go first conditional formatting, and you see here clear rules. Okay, here given clear rules. We select this and here you see clear rules from selected cells. जो हमने सिलेक्ट किया है उस सेल में से वो क्या हो जाएगा, आपका क्लियर हो जाएगा. और आपसे बोला जा रहा है एंड क्लियर rules from entire sheet. Entire sheet, that means whatever we apply here they remove all options. Okay, so here if we click clear rules from entire sheet, entire sheet means that means whole sheet. Okay, or you see color automatically change. Okay, now if we want to again apply condition, so we select first cells and columns. Okay, now we want to highlight it equal to, highlighted equal to. You see here in place of less than, here title bar show equal to, title bar show equal to. Equal to, that means if we want to see 3000 salary. Okay, so here we write 3000, and you see if we don't apply anything, any color, any font color, if we will not change, it will remain same like showing your screen. Okay, if you okay with this, you will go ahead. Okay, but if you want to change, you go in custom format. Custom format. You see if we want to highlight it this with yellow color. Okay, and we simply, you see here fill now option, we take fill number, that means whatever number is there related to this option. Font, that means if we want to change color, format, if you want to change font, but font style and size, it will not change because of this. Bold, no problem. You want to bold, italic, okay, or automatically color also will change, no problem. Or you want to underline, you underline your single or double. You see after OK button, your data will like and come with underline. Okay, and if you want to border, you do border also, no problem. Border color also, outline you want, outline, okay, and fill. So here cell will fill, or we click with this okay. You see here underline come, already came, okay, and color fill with 3000 in yellow cell, okay. You see here when we click OK, here only 3 people is this, 3000 get 3000 salary. It is very easy to see, okay. Now if we want to apply the salary between, that means if we want to see between 2500 to, here we apply first number, after then second number. You see here in place of equal to, less than, here between come, because we select between option, and here select, we write number 2002, we want to see 3500 between, okay. You see here already all data already selected. We want to see with this in this red color, no, red already, so this yellow blue color, and font we want to italic, okay, no, bold only, bold, and color we take this, and here we give, you want to single line, double line, whatever we want you give, and here we want to give outline and okay. You see here yellow blue color already came, okay. So now in our row 3000 already we cover with this, now that is why it is changed. See, between 2500 to 3500 color will come with blue color, okay. Now you want to clear all rules, so you will go clear rules from entire rule, or you want to only select it. You see, if we select this, okay, we select only March salary, so here we apply, click clear rules, and clear rules from select cell. You see here our data remain same without color, okay. Or you want to entire, that means whole sheet, okay. So here we apply clear rules and clear rules from entire sheet. So here we click and all formatting will remove. It is very useful for us, okay. In a large file we easily get everything with this help of this option. For this, first we select our data, after then only we will apply all condition. Now we will go with another top and bottom rules. In your book this option new rules also will explain, that is why I want to attention with this option. You see new rules, okay, we click new rules and we get this dialog box. In dialog box you see select a rule type, first format all cells based on their value. We will format, that means we apply bold, italic, highlighted cell, color, border, etc. with the based on their values. And next topic is format only cells that contain. Third, format only top or bottom ranked value. Format only value that are above or below average. Format only unique or duplicate values. If we select this, you see duplicate value here, no format. So we select according to your book. Here they gave format only cells that content. Format only cells that content. Okay. Now you see, like your book, one dialog box came, and here format only cells with cells value or whatever you want, you select here. Okay, first we select cell value between. If we want to see between 3002 in your book, feet less than value, they choose less than value. Okay, in your book less than value is given, that is why I select here. You see, in place of between, drop down arrow is there, so we select here less than. Okay, when we select less than, only one option is here. You see, in your book 2400 given, so I also write 2400. And if you want to format, here also you format like earlier. Okay, whatever you want you do. Here if we want to show with this color, and click OK and OK. You see here only, just like starting, only 4 people is there who's having only less than 2400 salary. There we select 2500, that is why 2400 also we counted. Okay, you see in this row nothing is there, that is why they select this. Okay, and we gave this box yellow because of selecting cell. So now if we want to remove, we remove clear rule with clear and from entire sheet. Like that, formatting option is working. You see.